Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is going to be on the choice of block accounts. I hope you all know what is the block account, and it is the compulsory requirement for all the students to show their financial proofs for getting the German student visa. So let's get started. Before starting, do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we are going to publish new video. There are few more series coming in the next month. One for the survival. For the survival of your food, how you should cook food fast and efficiently to get your tummy fill. Another series will going to come on the part-time jobs, that how you should find the part-time jobs for your regular expenditure. So do not forget to subscribe and share our channel with your friends. Let's get started on our today's video. Block accounts. So there are mainly 5 service providers of the block account in the market, which are easily accessible to you in India. So 3 of are the worldwide, the Fintiba, Expatrio and Coracle. So these 3 are the worldwide. Deutsche Bank is also worldwide, and the Kotak Mahindra is the Indian. The thing is, I will not going to suggest you to use Kotak Mahindra. The reason behind that, first, they block your money in INR, means Indian rupees. When you came to the Germany, then maybe you get or do not get this much of amount, means what is the required 861 euro per month, because they stored in INR and it will depend on what is the currency value at the time. Maybe you got this amount or the lesser or the more, depending on the currency exchange rate at that time. So it is totally on the luck. As per the previous experience, the rupees is getting down, so you may go into the losses, you may suffer the loss. So that's why I will not going to suggest the Kotak Mahindra. The another reason is sometime embassy reject, or the immigration office of the city where your university established, they rejects the Kotak Mahindra block account. So that's why I not suggest to use the service from the Kotak Mahindra, because it may lead you into the problem. Another one is the Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank is a good and more secure. It is also offline and the branch based, also have the branches in India, but it is quite a lengthy process. Around 2 to 3 weeks it will minimum take to complete your process, because they send the documents to the Germany and there they go verify via embassy, and so many it is a very lengthy and the fully paperwork process. But yeah, it is a good option. At least 10 working days they will take, so you have to think about it before using. If you had time in between your admit and your visa appointment, you may opt this. The other 3 are the Coracle, Fintiba and Expatrio. These 3 are 100% online, totally safe, and used by a lot of student these days. You can ask most of the student use these 3 services mainly. Safe, secure and fast. Within 3 to 5 working days you will get the confirmation letter, that O6 confirmation letter, which you need to submit at the German embassy. So that's why I will suggest you to choose any one from these 3 online. I have chosen the Expatrio. If you have not seen my experience and the feedback video on the Expatrio, then link is above there, you can click on that and see, check that. So this is the basic about these. I have also made a table from where you can get the idea about their service and everything. This is their complete differentiation: online, branch based. This is their working time. In these three, I have heard sometimes in 24 to 48 hours you will get for your O6 confirmation form, depending on how you are transferring the amount. If you transfer the amount early, then you will get the confirmation document also early. They have totally computerized system. As soon as your bank, your block account receive the amount, complete amount, you will get the confirmation form. Here the money block in euro in INR. These are their services. Yeah, value package given by the Expatrio, prime package given by the Coracle, plus package given by the Finteba are the best. It completes all the requirement of your visa, your health insurance, your travel insurance, everything is covered in it, and plus so many free offers also. Like for example, in value package of Expatrio, they are giving travel insurance for free of 92 days, international student card, and many more offers. In prime package, Coracle also giving travel insurance free, Finteba also giving travel insurance free. So this is a very good benefit for you if you choose value package. Also value packages are cheaper than the normal package, because in value package you will get an Expatrio 49 euro cashback. In prime package in Coracle it will be only 59 euro for you, which is the cheapest currently in the market. Second is in this one, total this will get 60 euro, 49 euro and the 49 euro cashback. Then overall, if you take the value package, then you will be charged 60 euros. Here you will be charged 59 euros, and this is quite expensive one, Finteba, so you can choose accordingly. This is the brief explanation. All the links are given below. I hope this will help you. See you in our next video. This is Manit Kera signing off from Hello House, Bavaria.